This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Marin here with us this morning, and Marin is a 12-year-old gymnast, and her mother, Brooke, and her dad, Nathan, brought her in here to have me look at her spine because she does a lot of pretty tricky gymnastic moves, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you've hurt yourself before?
Yes.
Doing that? And you've been on, this is your 4th adjustment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, right? And how has your performance improved in your mind since you started getting adjusted?
It's been a lot better because I've been a lot more pain-free.
Pain-free? Yeah. Are you feeling more coordinated in your moves?
Yes.
Getting stronger?
Yes.
Good girl. Okay, let's take a look. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me. You've heard me say this many times, but if you've got a spine, you need to get checked. Relax back to normal. There you go. Now see, I can tell she's a side sleeper just by her postures forward and to the right a little bit. But you've been doing a little better on that. You've been sleeping on your back a little more, haven't you?
Mm-hmm.
It's better than it was. Now, I do not do the ring dinger on young adults under 17 years of age because they still have growth plates in their vertebrae. And I normally do not do side posture adjusting, but on Marin, she's not going to get ligaments instability at her age. And I adjust the SI joints and lumbar spine with the right amount of force. Ooh, that's tender, isn't it? Getting any headaches?
Mm-hmm. A
Yeah?
little bit.
No? Okay. So I am going to start off adjusting her sacrum. Turn this down. You're not near as big as the last guy had in there. Maybe not quite that much. See, all I have to do is just put the right angles in there and just put a little force into that, and she adjusts very easily. That's it. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your right side and face towards me, Marin. Okay, I'm going to bring your pelvis that way. Keep this bottom leg straight. Okay, no, let's put this one right here and just look this way. Oh yeah, see there she just falls in place, and I did not stretch her ligaments doing that. Let's go this way. We just moved her joint into the paraphysiological space. Good girl. Boy, chiropractic's going to love you. Okay. That felt pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Good girl. All right. There you go. Now slide down this way a little bit, and let's have you put your arms straight out to the sides. Now, loosen this up a little bit. That's it. Good girl. Okay. Just relax your leg in my hand here. That girl. You feel that all the way up? Good deal. Okay, let's sit you up. Face that away, please. That's it. Perfect. That's it. I'm sure your children will be in gymnastics too, won't they?
Mm-hmm.
Will you take them to a chiropractor whenever they get to be
Yes.
active? That's it. Good. Okay, let's stand up right here in front of the mirror. Okie doke. Boy, you're looking great right now. Stand up straight as an arrow. Let's have you flex forward and backwards for me. And loosen this up. Back to neutral. See your head straight now. Pull these up and back. This way, yeah. She's so flexible, she could probably bend back and touch the floor in a back bend.
Yes.
Okay, let's relax. Okay, try that same thing again. Did that feel any smoother to you? Yep. So what would you have to say to our YouTube subscribers and their parents about bringing their children to a chiropractor?
It's definitely worth it.
It's helped you?
Yes.
Good. Well, thank you for sharing your experience with everyone.
Thank you.
And we wish you the best of luck in all your competition coming up.
Thank you.
Okay. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, where we practice hardcore chiropractic care, adjustments, pure and simple. If you've got a spine, you need to be adjusted. We'll see y'all soon.